Hey, okay, back again the same night. I'm making two videos in a row. Okay, so this is a very important YouTube video. This is for anyone that has, maybe you have a Chromebook, maybe you just don't have Photoshop right now, maybe you can't download it. A lot of maybes. I found this website. I don't know how popular it is, but I found it because I Googled online Photoshop, and this was the first thing that popped up in the results or that caught my eye. It's called photop.com, and it's basically exactly like an online Photoshop. Okay, I'm just going to show you because I was trying to make a YouTube thumbnail. But just really quick, look, you can do a new project and set the size, and I guess, yeah, these are some templates. I don't use those, but yeah, okay, you can set the size, the background color, and whatever. But after you get to creating something, you can also save it. And I have a PSD, and I'm going to open it. And you can also use your own custom fonts. Like if you buy or download a font, then you can just upload it here. Go, let me see. Yeah, okay. Oh, you don't even have to scroll. Just click load font and it'll let you upload whatever font you have. I used the OTF. I'm not sure if it needs to be OTF and TTF or if that's the only acceptable file, but yeah, you can upload your own fonts here, and it's so cool. So yeah, like it's really cool. I can't believe you can be on Photoshop online. I don't know how late I am to this, but apparently I just thought that was only possible on like, a Mac or something, like, because I don't have a Mac anymore and I don't need one. So yeah, let me just change the color, and then I'm going to change the font. I don't know, maybe I'll go with I don't know which color I should go with. That doesn't really matter, does it? Nope, it doesn't. But yeah, so go to photop.com and get on Photoshop and make what you need to make, you know. And yeah, you're not totally out of luck. All right. Yeah, because okay, one more thing. When I was looking for a Photoshop solution, obviously on Chromebooks you have like Photoshop Express, but it just wasn't enough for me. So, oh, there's one more thing. You can, for certain things, like if you want to open something and like put it in the file, you just click open in place, and then you can, let's do this one. And yeah, you'll just place it right there. So like, you know, whatever. It's so simple. If you know how to use Photoshop, you know how to use Photop, okay? All right. So that's the video. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. And yep, I'm gonna leave. All right. Bye bye.